Hi everyone, I tested the strength of KwikWeld's KwikWeld and could hardly believe the results. Let's check it out. I followed the directions and squeezed out equal amounts of resin and hardener and mixed thoroughly. I quickly assembled 3 wood samples with 1/2 by 3/4 inch wood trim. I then mixed another small batch of epoxy and assembled 3 metal test samples with 1/2 by 1 inch metal corner brackets. All 6 test samples were cured for 24 hours. The metal test samples were tested first, with sample 1 holding 68.2 pounds, sample 2 105.6 pounds, and sample 3 75.8 pounds. And then the wood test samples, where all 3 registered an amazing 360 pounds. KwikWeld's KwikWeld exceeded the testing capability of my small scale setup. I'll have to up my game to safely test this product. The metal test samples held an average of 83.2 pounds, and the wood samples registered 360 pounds, which was the maximum poundage of my test rig. And again, the wood trim was 1/2 by 3/4 of an inch, which is just slightly over 1/3 of a square inch. Back to the garage for more hacks.